Throughout this series, we've talked about performance, and we've identified certain things that we can do in order to improve performance. So for example, we looked at the slideshow background image up here at the top, and how we could optimize the download of this image by serving smaller images to smaller browser windows. Theoretically, at least, this would mean a quicker download because the file size would be smaller. We also talked about performance with our CSS, like why we'd tried to avoid using the universal selector. In the following videos, what we're going to do is break down the pieces that go into optimizing performance across the board. Now we can break down performance into two main areas. The first being how fast the web page loads initially, and the second being how responsive the website is to user interaction. For the purposes of this series, we're going to be focusing on that first area, since what we've been dealing with is a template rather than a full-blown web app. So what we're going to be chiefly concerned with is how fast our web page can load. Now it's a bit challenging to optimize performance on a local website. There's just not the same factors in play as there is with a remote website. So what I've done is I've uploaded the site that we've built so far, and I've put it on FED, for front-end development, .buildamodule.com/original. You can go to it now if you want to take a look. Having it live will allow us to see some more accurate numbers when it comes to performance.